On a specialized farm, only the finest white bulls receive premium care.
Quality feeding builds superior horn material.
Only the healthiest white bulls are selected for ethical processing.
Ethical selection leads to premium white bull horn harvest. From the open range begins the journey of premium white bull horn. Carefully collected and protected for the long journey ahead. Only the finest white horns are chosen for processing. Securely loaded and bound for the processing facility. The raw harvest now begins its transformation journey. Rigorous selection ensures only premium material proceeds. From field to factory gates, the process flows onward. Carefully transported across the industrial corridor. Nearing the facility where transformation begins. Cleared for entry into the processing ecosystem.
Raw horns now enter the cleaning and sorting stage.
Positioned for efficient transfer inside.
Raw horns now enter the cleaning and sorting stage.
Seamlessly moving from transport into core operations. Raw material received at the facility threshold.
Entering the heart of the processing facility.
Documented and cleared for initial processing. Transitioning smoothly into preparation zones. Horns advancing through the facility's entry pathway. Final entry verification before deep cleaning.
Thorough initial cleaning removes all field impurities.
Dried and prepared for detailed sorting.
Impurities removed, quality material advances.
Expert hands sort only the best material forward.
Verified clean and ready for core transformation.
Clean horns now enter the heart of processing.
Transition complete into core processing operations.
Precision cutting begins the core transformation. Rough edges removed through controlled grinding.
Steam softens the material for further shaping.
Powerful pressing forms the base material. Initial forms take shape in the core process.
Material stabilized after core processing.
Vein transformation shapes the material with precision. Polishing reveals the natural beauty and strength. Heat strengthens the transformed horn material. Components come together in the main stage. Color and finish applied during transformation.
Curing locks in the new form and properties.
Vein transformation complete. Moving to precision work.
Automation systems now take over key movements.
Robotic precision accelerates the workflow. Automated eyes ensure consistent standards. Automated cells deliver high-precision results. Seamless automation links every stage. Final buffing achieves premium finish.
Finishing lines deliver to rigorous quality control.
Detailed visual and dimensional checks performed.
Full traceability ensured for every batch.
Laboratory testing passed with excellence. These are ready for packaging.
Quality assured products now move to packaging. Careful packaging protects the finished products.
Accurate labeling completes product identity.
And this is how modern factories produce white bullhorn products from start to finish. Transformed into elegant, premium products. Beautifully presented, ready for the world.